core system library is failing because of the Windows core file API DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Quickly resolve Windows core file API inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Windows core file API, provides the execution hooks for localized file stream handling and secure input-output redirection in applications compiled for Windows 10 and 11. It is a core part of the system-level file management hierarchy. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. APIMS Win core file L121 is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan, now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Windows core file API message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Windows core file API DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Windows core file API references. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Windows core file API critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.